Storms. Damaging winds. Metro Detroit possible Wednesday. What should you know? Metro Detroit will continue to see rain and thunder during Wednesday, and the storms are likely to be more severe in the evening. Today, we have a higher chance of storm after 1500. National Weather Service White Lake meteorologist Sara Schultz said. At the same time, there is a violent storm isolated from 1800 to midnight. The winds will be main threat during the isolated severe storm, and wind of up to 60 miles per hour will be gusts. Schultz. Rain accumulation will usually remain under half-inch, but more isolated storms can be higher sums. He said. Despite stormy atmosphere, the heights are expected to be in mid-80s. The cold façade will cool down temperatures this evening and will cool temperatures and reach 60s of 70s. More parking parties to Walmart, Michigan. More former Representative Mike Rogers jumps into Michigan's U.S. Senate race Thursday afternoon. There is another chance to take a short time for the rain.